Hey folks! Today we'll be making the Mien version of Ka Soi, a meat soup from China. The recipe is in the description box. There's a lot of prep, but it's totally worth it. So let's get started. First, fill a pot with water and add your chicken to it. You don't need to add any seasonings yet. That will happen later in the process. Once the chicken is added, then bring it to a boil. Chop up a few green onions and whip out a bag of angel hair coleslaw. Yes, we're taking a shortcut because nobody's got time for that. Peel and chop some ginger and galangal. Galangal can be a very tough root, so make sure your knife is extra sharp and expect to spend some time cutting it up. Then, chop up half an onion. Grab a pack of Chinese meatballs, any kind, and a can of drained quail eggs. Fish out the chicken you boiled earlier. I forgot to film that part. And dump the meatballs, the eggs, the ginger, and galangal in the pot. Let everything simmer for an hour. While that's happening, debone the meat and put it back in the pot. Continue the simmering process. Add some water to another pot and start heating it to boiling. I'm going to teach you how to soften some kelp noodles so your diabetic or insulin sensitive friends can enjoy the soup too. Add about a teaspoon of baking soda to the noodles. Then add a couple of tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. If you hear fizzing, you're on the right track. Massage the noodles until they become soft, rinse them, another part I forgot to film, and set them aside. For everyone else, I'm using these rice noodles. If you can't find this brand, that's okay. Use what you can. For these noodles, drop them into that boiling water and set a timer for 1 minute. When they're done, drain them, don't burn yourself, and add a small amount of white vinegar. Mix the vinegar into the noodles, then rinse them until they're cool. This is a homemade meat sauce that I got from a Mien shop in Oakland. This is how much was left after 3 days. We put it on everything. I was going to make it myself, but I can't make it better than someone's mom. If you want to try, a link to the recipe is in the description box. Good luck with that. So let's plate. Add the meat sauce to the bowl. Top it with your chosen noodle, the meatballs, and chicken, plenty of broth, some of that coleslaw cabbage, and a few mint leaves for garnish. Add a few squiggles of sriracha and or spoonfuls of chili paste for a kick. Doesn't that look good? And that's it. I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more dishes from around the world. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.